Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hopefully you guys are having an amazing day. Today I have a kind of a collective haul. So I have some things from Victoria's Secret, Target, TJ Maxx, let's see, Amazon, some PR items. So it's just an array of items to share with you guys today. So we'll start with Victoria's Secret. You guys know I love like scented body washes, but I've warned you guys before, make sure you don't use these scented body washes in your downstairs area because that's just no bueno. I use a baby wash or a specific wash for that area because I do not want to cause any kind of issues. So let me show you these because these are highly scented. That's why I'm kind of like notating that first. So just in case you're interested in these. So these are the Victoria's Secret Refreshing Gel Body Washes. So I have picked up 3 of them in the Amber Romance. If you guys have ever smelled the Amber Romance perfume from Victoria's Secret, you know it smells fantastic. It's got such a sweet, seductive, sexy scent to it. So I picked up 3 of the body washes in that scent. One of them came a little bit damaged, but that's no big deal. These are 10 ounces. So I've just recently got more body washes, you guys know, from Sephora. So I am stockpiled on body washes now. I don't think I need to purchase any more. So we're good there. And also, by the way, I will be doing a little Target haul, or not haul, but a show and tell type thing video with you guys. So if you don't know what little Target is, it is the area in my house where I dedicate to overstock of products. So like all of these will go in there. So I'll show you guys how I have it organized and basically kind of showing you everything that's in there. And then I picked up 2 in this scent right here. So this is Velvet Petals. So I have 2 of these. I don't think they have like scent notes or anything on them, but this one's a very sweet, very almost like, this one smells more lighter. So I don't think if you use this one would be as strong as the Amber Romance. The Amber Romance is definitely the strongest of the 3 that I picked up. So this one smells phenomenal as well. I haven't tried them out yet, so I don't know how well they do as far as like washing your body and also like keeping the smell in your skin, because that's important. The next and last one I picked up from Victoria's Secret is Love Spell. This is like an old but true, tried and true type of fragrance. So is Amber Romance. So these are my new body washes. So I'm excited to try them out. Hopefully they work well. I don't know, we'll have to see. Something I picked up off of Amazon because of TikTok. So I was watching a video on TikTok and it was a lady explaining hair products that she uses in her salon that people really enjoy because of the scent. And I was like, you had me at scent. So she recommended this right here. This is the Nila Styling Spray Confiant. I don't know. It's got a number 2 out of 5 for hold. So basically it's just like a finishing spray. But it smells so good. Oh my gosh, it smells like perfume for your hair, but yet it's like something to help hold the curl and everything like that, and it's not going to give you that stiff, crunchy hold. It smells phenomenal. So I purchased this off of Amazon, so if you're interested in purchasing it, this is, I don't know how many ounces. I don't see it on here at all. Oh yes, it is. 12.17 ounces. So if you're interested in trying it out, it does smell really, really good. It's just perfumey. So if you like a more perfumey scent in your hair, if you're like me, I go for like 3 or 4 days before I wash my hair. So it can tend to start to smell a little sweaty because I am going through menopause, as well as trying to work out more, trying to get back into shape after the nasty C word. So then the next thing I picked up is from Target. This is Dove. This is the refillable deodorant. It's a stainless steel case. They had them on sale for some reason, and I don't know if it's because they're just not going to sell them anymore, but it is a deodorant. It comes in a really cool case. Let me show you what it looks like. I have 2 of them. I purchased 2 because of the sale that they were having. I figured I would keep one. Oh my gosh, if you know how to open it, that helps. I would keep one in my purse. So it comes with, I'll put it together for you. Oh my gosh, maybe. These nails, I can't put them on. I mean, I can't get things out. I just had my nails redone over at the mall. And I love the little detail she did on this one. It's got like a daisy. Do you see the daisy? I think it's so cute. That's my favorite flower. So I love that. So how you put it together, it comes like this. with this plastic thing over top first. So you want to take the plastic off because your actual deodorant is inside of here. So you guys, if you've already used this before, you probably are like, yep, that's how it works. It smells really, really good. This one is cucumber what? Cucumber and green tea. So then you just click it into here. I probably could have done this differently, but I didn't. So it clicks into there like that, and then your top. So it's got a really nice top to it. It just looks fancy. So it's like a fancy deodorant. I don't know that it's any better or any healthier for you. I just like the way that it looked, and I thought it would be cute to keep in my purse, and plus it's just really pretty. So I know it's weird. I buy things just because of the looks. Don't we all do that sometimes though? Okay, the next thing I picked up is from Target. So they had a 3-pack of these. I love Pacifica, like their body fragrances and stuff. This haul feels like it's all about scented things. A lot of it is. So these are the Pacifica Dream Moon, or no, they're I don't know what there's one's Flower Moon, Dream Moon, and Silver Moon hair and body mist. So they come like this right here. They're just little small ones, so they're perfect for your purse or perfect for a gym bag. These are 2 ounces, so these would be perfect to travel with as well. So the Silver Moon is vanilla, and I think it's vanilla almond spice. So I'm gonna spray it out. It smells more like a generic vanilla. It's not like a true vanilla in my opinion, but it's still really nice. And then we have Jasmine, Peach, and Vanilla. This one smells really good. Oh, that one smells like summertime. And then the last one we have is Patchouli, Sandalwood, and Pink Rose. And this one, oh, it smells really good too. You can definitely smell the jasmine and the patchouli in it, not so much rose. So if you don't like rose, you would still probably like that one. So I got these at Target, like I said. So if you're interested in picking these up, I think they sell them at Ulta as well, but Target I think was cheaper, so that's why I purchased them there. Then something else I picked off of Amazon is another perfume. You guys know I'm a huge perfume lover, and I saw where somebody had recommended that this smells like beachy, and I was like, whoa, I need to try it. I think it's like a perfume that's been out for a while. This is the Jennifer Anniston Beachscapes. So it smells like the beach, but like a clean beach fragrance. So almost like your fresh linens when you're going to the beach, and like the way that it smells by the ocean, a little bit of the sunscreen mixed in. It just smells really nice. So I do like this a lot. If you're more into like the clean beach fragrances, I think you would like this. I don't think that if you're looking for more coconutty, I don't think you're gonna like this because it's not coconutty, vanilla, like sunscreenish. So I don't think you would like it for that reason. Okay, where are we at next? Okay, another thing off of Amazon is this. This is Boob Tape. So I was watching a video on how to use these because I've got quite a few sundresses for the summer that are gonna require me to either wear no bra or something else, and I can't wear a strapless bra because I have an inverted sternum, so it kind of makes it so impossible to wear one of those. So I thought I would try this out this summer. If you guys have ever tried Boob Tape before, you have to let me know if it's pretty good or if it's bad. I just thought I would try it, see if it works. If it doesn't work, no big deal, I guess. Then we have something from Target. So in my ears is a pair of earrings. These are little pineapples. I got these from Target. They were $12.99. They are the Sugarfix brand, and then I found this set here on sale for $3.89. They're just a little red dangly style, so I thought they were cute for that price, and I was like, okay, I love earrings, I love jewelry, so earrings especially, because I just like changing them out. Like my necklace I don't change out really, my ring I don't really change out, but my earrings I do. And then I found these at TJ Maxx. These are from Betsey Johnson. These are actually little daisies. These were $12.99 as well. I don't know what the original price would have been, so let me see if I can move that tag so you can see it better. So there's what they look like. Aren't they cute? Look at the little leaf and the actual flowers. They're so stinking cute. I cannot wait to wear those. So I got those, and then let's see. Now let's move on to a Shop Miss A haul. So I have a couple things I purchased from Shop Miss A. My friend Nikki Murphy, she's always shopping on there, and I always fall in love with some of the stuff she shows. So I want to show you some things I picked up. First of all, it came in this really durable bag. So it's like nice and thick. So anything in here was well protected when they nailed it, which I appreciate. Let me take everything out first here so I can show you what all I got. If you guys are looking for a good sponge to do your makeup with and you don't want to spend $20 on a beauty blender, I'm about to show you something that you will definitely want to consider. So first of all, I picked up 2 of these. These are the AOA. These are the oil sponge soaps, oil brush soap. So this one here is for your sponges. It specifically says on the back. And this one says for your brushes. I think you can use them either way. I don't think it really matters that I know of. I don't know. So let's see what the one for sponges looks like. Yeah, I mean, I think it's just a typical soap. It's just a little white bar soap, but it comes in a nice little tin can, so it makes it easier for you to wash your sponges. Put the soap back in and you've got it contained. And then one for your brushes is probably, oh, nope, it's pink. So this one's pink. I don't know if they're scented. Rose. So this one's rose scented, and then the other one is strawberry. So they are scented, so I'm excited to see what they smell like. Let me see if I can cut one open here so we can see what it smells like, especially the strawberry. Yum. It's got some plastic wrap on here. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's not very scented, so if you're hoping that it was really scented, it's not. But if you're hoping it's not very scented, you'll be happy. So that's at least a plus. Now onto the sponges. So Shop Miss A, oh, by the way, these were, I think like $1.50, something like that. Oh, it doesn't tell me prices. They were like $1.50. So for a good soap to use to wash your brushes, that's a good price. And then I picked up these packs. These are the value packs, and you get 6 of their sponges. Their sponges are typically like $1.55, I believe. But in the value pack, you get them for a better deal. I don't remember the exact price, but I'm thinking it was like $6, $7, something like that. It wasn't very much. And a lot cheaper than a beauty blender, obviously, because one beauty blender would cost you $20. These are super, super, super comparable to a beauty blender. I don't think it's an exact dupe, but I think it's as close as you're possibly gonna get. Honestly, I've tried the Real Techniques. I've tried the ones from e.l.f. I've tried the ones from, who else? I've tried so many sponges, and I feel like these are the closest. These are the best that you're gonna get, especially for the money. I mean, even if it wasn't for the money, I think these are as close as you're gonna get for the beauty blender sponges. So I picked up 3 packs of those because, I mean, obviously I'm gonna use these and they're such a good deal. I always grab them whenever I'm placing an order with Shop Miss A because I'm like, that's something I love to have. And especially if I do somebody else's makeup, I like to give them, I just threw one behind. Good job. I like to give them the sponge that I used on them so that way they have a beauty sponge to use at home on themselves. So then I picked up this Blender Vault. So here is more sponges I picked up. So you've got 5 large size sponges and then 2 smaller size sponges. And the price on this was amazing as well. It was under $10 for this. So if you're looking for some sponges to try, I haven't tried out the variety of them because I know they're all different. So this one is the AOA OG. So they have one in there that's like that. They have a super soft, wait a minute, 7-piece set. Mochi, microfiber, mini Moochie, Silly Dip. I don't know. I'll have to try these out and let you guys know if this is a good set or not. But I mean, they look really nice. But there's what it says on the back. So it has different types of sponges. So if you're interested in this, I would definitely look into it. And then the last thing I picked up with Shop Miss A is this. This is so stinking cute. Let me cut it open so I can show you guys. Let me find, here we are. I need to find my cutter. So here is the Paw Blender travel case. And of course, you know I had to get the mint color. So here is the little mint Paw case. It's got holes in the bottom to be able to air your sponge out so you don't have to worry about your sponge being stuck in a case that's like airtight and then getting gross. So let's see. Let me show you. I'll cut one of these open and put a sponge in it to show you. Let's see here. So you put your sponge down in there, and then your little top goes on and your beauty sponge is protected as well as anything else that you're putting this in to travel with. We are planning some trips this summer, so I thought this was great to travel with, and it's nice and flexible because it's rubber. Max is licking his toes for some reason. I just gave him his allergy medicine. He, unfortunately, and Molly are both allergic to grass. So awesome. So anyway, there's what it looks like. I don't know what the bottom's for. I'm wondering if you can clean your sponge with this or if it's just, I don't know. That's very interesting. Anyway, so moving on to the last two items I wanted to show you guys are PR items. So this was sent to me complimentary from Clarins as well as Octoly. This is the Clarins Double Serum. Guys, I have used this before and I absolutely love it. If you're looking for a serum that actually makes a big difference in your skincare, I highly recommend this. This will be like the 4th bottle I've actually had of this, so it's not like I'm new to trying it. I have tried this before and I absolutely love it. It's totally worth the money. I personally have purchased it the 3 other times. This time it was gifted to me, so I am super excited to have one to be able to use. So thank you so much to Octoly as well as Clarins for sending this to me to try out. They also sent it along with this cute bag. So I think this is like a thing that's going on right now with Clarins. You get this little bag to go along with your purchase. So it's cute. I love the little pink color. It's got the feet on the front and then a number 7 on the back. 7's my lucky number, so that works out great. Then the last item I want to show you guys is this right here. This is my PR item that was sent to me complimentary from Good Molecules. So I wasn't sure that I was still on our PR list, but I am, and it goes to my son's house, which is our old house. He still lives there. He purchased our house. So he gave it to me today actually. So this is the Good Molecules Discoloration Correcting Body Treatment. So I'm always looking for something for discoloration. I have discoloration. Actually, you probably are not gonna be able to see it too well. Maybe you will. Under my chin here, I think it's melasma. I have it on my cheeks from acne scarring. I get melasma on my lips. I get it on my chest. So I do get discoloration all over, so I'm excited to see how this works for my body. So thank you so much to Good Molecules for sending me this. But that is everything I want to show you guys today, I believe. Yes, I've shown you everything. So let me know what you think you will end up picking up. I definitely recommend that you check out the Shop Miss A, the Paw Paw sponges. I think they're amazing. If you're looking for a good smelling spray, this is absolutely amazing. And if you're looking for a amazing skincare serum, definitely check out the Clarins Double Serum. So this is phenomenal. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, I'll catch you guys later.